Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're about to watch the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in the easiest way possible. No complicated lessons, no stress. Just listen carefully and watch the video multiple times to improve your understanding and learning. Today, we're diving into a mouth-watering American tradition, barbecue, also known as barbecue. But where did barbecue originate? How did it become such an essential part of American culture? Let's explore the fascinating history behind this beloved tradition. The origins of barbecue can be traced back to the indigenous people of the Caribbean. The word barbecue comes from the Taino word barbacoa, which referred to a wooden framework used for cooking meat over an open flame. When Spanish explorers arrived in the Caribbean in the 15th century, they adopted this cooking method and introduced it to the Americas. As European settlers arrived in North America, they brought with them their own cooking techniques, which eventually blended with indigenous methods of slow cooking meat over a fire. This fusion of cooking styles gave birth to what we now know as American barbecue. By the 17th and 18th centuries, barbecue had become a staple in the southern United States, where it was especially popular among African American communities who mastered the art of slow cooking meat and adding flavorful spices and sauces. Barbecue culture spread across the United States, and different regions developed their own unique styles. Texas barbecue is known for its emphasis on beef, particularly brisket, slow-smoked over mesquite or oak wood. Kansas City barbecue is famous for its thick, sweet, and tangy tomato-based sauces. Memphis barbecue is renowned for its dry-rubbed ribs, cooked low and slow, often served with a side of tangy sauce. Carolina barbecue features pork, either whole hog or pulled pork, with a distinctive vinegar-based sauce. Barbecue is more than just food in America. It's a social and cultural event that brings people together. From backyard cookouts and family gatherings to competitive barbecue festivals, barbecue has become a symbol of community, celebration, and tradition. One of the most famous barbecue traditions in the United States is the annual Memphis in May World Championship Barbecue Cooking Contest, where pitmasters from around the country compete to showcase their skills and creativity. Whether it's smoked ribs, brisket, pulled pork, or sausage, barbecue remains a cherished part of American culinary heritage. Congratulations on making it to the end of this video. Now you know the fascinating history of barbecue and how it became a beloved American tradition. Don't forget to subscribe to Docentes DigitalesTV so you won't miss the feedback video, which is essential for reinforcing what you've learned and improving your mastery of English and American culture. Give this video a like and share it with your friends to help us grow and continue creating high-quality content for you. See you in the next video.